How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. Today I want to give you another reminder about the Rust Bucket Group Build 2026, and it starts on July 1st and it ends on October 31st. So we have about 4 months just to do, some type of weathering, anything that you can think of what a rust bucket might be. So the rules, it's pretty simple. You can kit bash anything. I pretty much have no restrictions on it. So literally, we call it rules, but there's not really rules. But so you could do kit bashing, kit bash anything, any kit, new, old. If you have just parts laying around and you want to practice some weathering, yeah, you could use that. Military, you could do planes, ships, tanks, all that is fine. It's all good. Sci-fi, anything goes. You could do anything. Gundams, Transformers, robots. You want to create your own robot, that's cool. As long as it's it has some type of weather on it or patina and stuff like that. Diecast, yeah, you could do diecast. You could do Hot Wheels, any scale. So if you want to do trains, you could do trains. I mean, that's so good. It's all about promoting the hobby and promoting the weathering techniques. There are a few people out there that might get a little intimidated about doing weathering, and some of them might think that their weathering it's not as good as other people. My weathering is not the best, but I get by. So if you want to participate and you're not comfortable with doing weathering or patina, you could do you could primer a car. This will be considered as a beater, or someone from high school is learning how to drive, and they got into working on their car and they primer the whole car. Or you could do partial. You could do paint the car one color, the doors a different color, and then it has a nice beefy engine. You could do all that. That works. That'll be pretty cool to see. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's not really a lot of rules. It's just a reminder if you are still interested or you're in the fence. Just wanted to remind you on the rules. And literally there's no rules. Anything goes. You could just let your imagination just run wild. You want to do rust hulls on it, or you want to do a diorama, all that, it's all good. Just let promote the hobby and promote the weathering techniques. That's pretty much it. And have fun, and let everyone that sees you that it's fun. Weathering, it's not as hard and complicated and stressful as some people might think. And that's pretty much it, guys. I do appreciate everyone who's going to participate, and I look forward to see what crazy wild dioramas, builds, weathering techniques you guys will come up with. I'm eager to see the ideas that we all have about different perspectives on how the weathering should look in our world, in our minds. And at the end of this whole group build, I will create a playlist of everyone who participated, and that way you guys can go and see who participated and who did what, and what they did to accomplish that project, and that technique and all that stuff. And if you have any questions, you guys are more than welcome to go and ask these individuals questions about all that. So having said that, that's pretty much it. Just a quick reminder, and I am so eager to start my project. I already have a subject in mind, and it's ready to go, and I'm just waiting for July 1st so that I can start putting this together and showing you guys how something simple can become pretty cool and neat, and just pretty much giving this project a second life. So that's a little hint on which route I'm going. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Happy modeling.